Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Today I am going to show you Parippu vada or masala vada. It's a famous tea time snack among the Sri Lankan people. Now I make this vada to have with hot tea and share with my family also. So let's get started. I took 250 gram tur dal, add some water, cover and soak at least 1 hour. And then I am going to soak dry red chili in the salt water. Add some salt and water. Soak in the salt water for about 30 minutes. After 1 hour, dal is well soaked. Wash and drain the water completely because have to grind them without any water. Adding drained dal into the grinder. Don't add water while grinding. If needed, add only 1 or 2 tablespoons water. Don't completely grind them to a paste. Leave some as broken bites. It's done. Turn off and transfer it to a medium bowl. See, this is the well texture for vada. After grinding the dal, I'm going to add moldy fish. This is optional. Chopped onion, chopped green chilies, chopped curry leaves, some salt, chili flakes and pepper powder. Mix all the ingredients. If the mixture too moist, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons rice flour or gram flour in the mixture. After mixing, take a small portions of the dal mixture and make a ball. Place in the center of the palm and flatten to a round shape. Meanwhile, heat the oil first. When the oil is hot, then drop into the hot oil. Cook until golden brown and crisp. Fry dried chili until crisp. Sri Lankan vada is perfect combination with cup of tea, and I love this too. Okay friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my upcoming video. Until then, take care. Bye.